right, in today's scenario, we have a customer named Mike Jones. And as he enters our store, he gets a salesperson to create a cash ticket at the project sales desk. So let's go ahead and get started. So to create a ticket, you can either click the icon here on a new order, or you can click on order here in the top left-hand corner. We're going to go ahead and click the icon new order on our dashboard. Now the account that we're going to use is going to be a cash account. It's going to be PCSH 100. When we type that in, we're going to go ahead and choose that account, that cash account for this customer. We'll go ahead and type in his name, Mike Jones. And we'll go ahead and proceed with his order. So he is wanting to get 50 2x4 16 number 2 pine. We'll type in that item number and quantity. And he's also wanting 5-foot pre-cut 8-foot studs. Now Mike is wanting to come back and pick up this order in our drive-through. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change the sales type to will call. We're not going to take a payment yet. He's going to pay for it whenever he comes back to pick it up. So we'll go ahead and park this order. Press OK. Mike returns, goes through our drive-through. So we're going to go ahead and open up this parked order. And we can find his parked order right here, or you can just type in his name, Mike Jones. And we'll go ahead and open his ticket. So Mike has seen that there was some damaged lumber in the front of the drive-thru, and he has decided that he wants to go ahead and purchase 2 bundles of damaged lumber instead of the items that were originally on the ticket. So we're going to have to go ahead and delete these items on the ticket and enter in the damaged lumber. So what we're going to do here is you can actually hit shift and select both lines and go down to the very bottom right hand corner, hit delete, and you can go ahead and remove those items for the ticket. Now when entering in the item numbers on the damaged lumber, I'm going to go in those items and proceed to change the pricing on those bundles. So 2x4 16 number 2, 208. And then 8-foot pre-cut studs, 10. And then 2x6 10-foot number 2 pine. There are 10 as So in the first bundle, the 2x4 16 number 2 and the pre-cut studs, they're priced at $300. So again, we can hit shift and select those 2 line items. Go down to the bottom of our screen and hit pricing options. And here what we want to do is we want to do a lump sum pricing, not for all lines, but just for the selected lines. So we'll hit selected lines and we'll change the total price to $300. And once we hit OK, it'll automatically change the price for both those items to equal out to $300. The next bundle was the 2x6 10-foot treated. Those were priced at $1 a piece. We'll go ahead and select that and hit pricing options. Here we're going to go and choose in the drop down, we'll choose manual price lines. One thing you want to make sure is that when it says apply to, you want to make sure this drop down is selected only to the lines that you want to be selected. We'll change the price to $1 and press OK. So as you can see right here to the left of the items, you'll see the blue icons with the L, and that is meaning that these 2 items were a lump sum price, and then the M stands for a manual price change, meaning that that one item was changed per piece to $1. So once we have those prices changed, we can go ahead and proceed to check out and complete the order. Go ahead and enter that amount. So this will conclude our training. Now take the time to practice what you have learned.